thumbs up if you like this video and if you're excited for the 4th of July.
Let us know in the comments below what your favorite outfits were and what are your plans for the 4th of July.
Just a reminder, if you follow me on Twitter, and I'm sure if you follow Adrian as well, we will follow you back. Or if you subscribe to us, you just have to tweet us and let us know. So @it's Lindsay Ray. Also, if you share this video and tweet me letting me know you shared this video, I'll follow you. And guess what? I made your life so much easier. There's a link generated in the bottom bar. If you click it, it will have the tweet ready. So lazy. Hashtag America.
Hashtag America. America. Let us know if you like this American flag as decoration in the house.
Do you? I do. I feel like it could be a photo shoot. If you are new and you just stumbled across this video in hopes to get some last minute 4th of July inspiration, please feel free to check out my other videos. They're also linked below and here annotated. Again, unless you're on an iOS, then you got to go to the bottom. And a shout out to my first comment on my June favorites video. I'm going to butcher this and I apologize. Laisha Cornmeatful. Either way, your username is in the bottom bar, so go check her out. Thank you so much for watching my video and being my first comment. You the best.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Give you a hug. Yay. This is it. We need to have a moment, so I'm going to talk to you later. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Amazing bonus behind the scenes footage of us telling popsicle jokes.
Popsicle jokes.
What did the rabbit give his girlfriend? Think about it. It's hair.
What? A carrot ring. A 10 carat ring!
No, 14 carat.
Shit!
Have you ever heard of 10? No, everyone always says 14 carat.
I don't know how many carrots are in anything.
I would say that you get that one.
Cool. Okay, my joke. What kind of bird never needs a haircut?
I have no idea. A Spalding. Because it's balding.
Close.
A Spalding. American Eagle.
You're getting there.
A
Go back to
hawk.
No. Calm. Think about it. Eagle. What kind of eagle has no hair?
A bald eagle.
Ding 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 ding!
Wait, really? That was it? That was lame.